And so let us unbox this gadget that will help me shoot better and share some better views of what I do and some tutorials even. So it's a clamped tripod thingy, and I am so happy because I saw this in another designer's page, and I was like, this is actually really good because it has this section here that clamps onto the table, and then like you have the light over here. You have the light, and then you have, so remove these papers. Oh, that doesn't come out. Guess we're gonna tear the paper. Yeah, we're gonna cut the paper. I can't find anything to cut, but it's my seam paper. Cut to the paper. So good. I don't know why they package with so much paper though. Does that annoy you too? So there's that. I don't need that. Like, I have really good lighting on my table, so maybe this would be for when maybe I am recording while doing other things that where light is not so good. But so this one, I was told it goes here. Okay, guys, that goes there, and this goes in. Then so this holds my camera, and then you guys, I can just be moving you guys across my table, and then you can see even when I'm like making a pattern, it's more clear and better. So I got it from lennyventure on IG. And also, like, I needed an extra piece, a phone holder for my other tripod, because the other holder is attached to the, what's it called? It's attached to the ring light. So this will make my work easier and better, because now I'm not forced to move around with my ring light when all I need is just this. So please hope to use this, hope to see how it works, but I'm pretty sure it's really good because it's really sturdy. Like, it's actually really sturdy, and the clamp is so strong. Like, can you see the size of that? So it has a good grip, so there's no risk of dropping your phone or love it.